a fully functional industrial-grade Bluetooth to Wi-Fi gateway. This dashboard is served from the circuit board itself, every Bluetooth sensor in the room live. I built it with Adsum IoT Coder in 30 minutes. Let me show you. The board is an off-the-shelf industrial gateway. Companies buy these ready-made and deploy them at scale, normally as sealed black boxes running someone else's software. Inside, two chips. One speaks Bluetooth, one speaks Wi-Fi, and they talk to each other over wire. In VS Code, I open Adsum IoT Coder and pass the entire specification at once. Setup mode, publishing to the cloud, a device whitelist, watchdogs, LED patterns, and wiring details. First thing it does, it loads firmware knowledge written by engineers, pulled in based on what this specific build needs, not everything it has. It plans the data path across both chips, then writes the code. Both sides real build systems. When a build fails, it reads the output, fixes it, and retries on its own. This is the full build, compressed. Now the part no code reading agent can do. It doesn't assume the firmware works. It watches the boards themselves, clean boot, both chips up, Wi-Fi connects, then the proof. The gateway is on the network and the sensor data is flowing. Two chips, one prompt, working firmware. Try it on your board. AdsumNetworks.com